Students and staff, this is how you get on your accounts for Wake County this year. The easiest thing to do is to go to the NITEL homepage, scroll down to that first gold bar, and tap where it says Wake ID. You can also search it online just by searching Wake ID. Typically, the first one that comes up is the one that you want. Once you get to the Wake ID portal, tell it whether you're a staff or a student. I'm going to show you a student example, and then enter your Wake ID. You can try your lunch number, or you can do the beginning of your email, which is generally your first initial, middle initial, and last name. Sometimes there's a number if you have a common last name. Enter the password that you remember from last year, and if you would like to make sure that you entered it correctly, you can use the eye on the right to show you the password to make sure that you haven't made some sort of user error. Then you're going to tap Continue to Login. Correct, you should be sent to the Student Wake ID portal. If your password is incorrect, try using your student number as the password and see if that allows you to get in. If it's not correct, you'll have to request a password reset from your teacher or from the library. If the password doesn't work, you may be prompted to create a new password this year. If that's the case, simply click on the blue link and create a new password. Once you're here, this is how you get to your email. This is how student email. This is how you get to Google, your Google Drive. And this is also how you get to Canvas, which is what many of your teachers will be using to facilitate their classes. You can also get to PowerSchool this year from this particular portal. All you have to do is tap on Homebase right here. A login window will pop up where you need to enter your student ID number as the username. Once you've entered your student ID number and tapped Go, you will be taken straight to the page with your PowerSchool button, and you will not have to enter an additional password. That's why the Wake ID is so awesome this year. No additional password. It should take you right to this page, and then you should be able to tap on the PowerSchool icon to view your grades as well as your schedule. If for some reason you have trouble getting to this page, you can tap Try Another Method and enter your old PowerSchool password, but ideally we can skip that step this year by going straight to your Wake ID portal every single time. Wake ID portal.